Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this quick video I'm going to show you how to use this HDMI to AV converter along with a 5.8 GHz video transmitter in order to wirelessly display video from an HDMI source on your FPV goggles. Building and using the adapter that I'm going to show you in this video is very simple and is going to be mainly useful for practicing FPV flying on your FPV goggles instead of your computer screen. While most of the more expensive FPV goggles feature an HDMI in port that will enable you to directly connect them to your computer, not all the goggles have this option, and regardless, being able to sit farther away from your computer with no cables attached, preferably using a wireless adapter for your radio controller, will give you a more immersive and realistic feeling when using flight simulators. The HDMI to AV adapter that I'm going to use in this video on one end plugs to an HDMI source using a flat cable, and in addition to the mini HDMI plug, you're also getting a micro HDMI plug, which is useful for connecting the adapter to DSLR and action cameras. The AV output is going to be connected to these pads. The two top ones are plus 5 volts, so you'll have to power the board externally, as the power which is going to be provided using the HDMI source is not going to be sufficient. Then you can find two ground pads, then the audio pad, and finally over here you can find the video pad. The most convenient way, in my opinion, is to power the HD to AV board and the connected VTX using one of the USB ports of your computer. So what you can do is to cut an existing USB cable and solder the ground and plus 5 volts wires to the plus 5 volts and ground pads. As for the VTX, I recommend to use one that supports a 5 volts DC input voltage, so you can simply power it along with the HD to AV adapter using the USB port, and all you have to do basically is to solder the plus 5 volts to plus 5 volts, ground to ground, and the AV input on the VTX to the video output of the adapter. Before connecting the HD to AV adapter to your computer, I recommend to first power it up, set the VTX and video receiver to the same frequency, and make sure that the following image is displayed, as otherwise it indicates that something wasn't wired properly. Then in order to connect the HD to AV converter to your computer, you'll probably need to use a mini to full-sized HDMI adapter. And in case you have a computer that only uses USB Type-C ports, the following adapter is going to be required. Now we can simply plug in the HDMI and USB ports, connect the adapter to your computer, and enjoy practicing FPV flying using your FPV goggles and your favorite flight simulator. You should note that since you don't want the VTX to get too hot, I recommend to set it to the lowest available output power and, if possible, cool it using an external fan. In addition, in case you encounter difficulties when connecting the adapter to an HDMI source, and prior to that you saw the pattern that I've previously shown you, most of the chances are that the flat cable is misaligned, so I recommend to disconnect both ends, align them properly, and then try again. So overall, I think that this adapter is a pretty neat solution for practicing FPV flying using your flight simulators, and it also has other applications which might appeal to some of you. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video. As always, I thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and you found it useful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you in my next videos, and goodbye.